Hey everybody, Ron here, and today we're diving deep into the wonderful world of rubbing alcohol. We're going to debunk the myth that rubbing alcohol is a one-trick pony and uncover 10 surprising uses that will have you wondering how you ever lived without it. Trust me, you're gonna want to stick around for this one. Alright, let's kick things off with a problem we've all encountered: grimy electronics. Whether it's your laptop, smartphone, or even your TV remote, grime and dust seem to find their way onto everything. You know what I'm talking about? Those fingerprints on your laptop screen, smudges that make it hard to see clearly. And let's not forget the dust bunnies around your keyboard, making typing a less than pleasant experience. But fear not, my friends, because rubbing alcohol is here to save the day. It's a simple yet effective solution. This stuff is like a gentle ninja when it comes to cleaning electronics. It tackles grime without causing any damage. It evaporates quickly, which means it won't seep into those delicate crevices and wreak havoc on your circuits. No more worrying about moisture damage. Plus, its bacteria-busting properties make it perfect for wiping down surfaces that are touched frequently, like your phone screen, keyboard, and even your TV remote. These are all hotspots for germs, and rubbing alcohol can help keep them clean. Grab a microfiber cloth, dampen it slightly with some rubbing alcohol, and gently wipe down your electronics. It's that easy, and voila! Your gadgets will be sparkling clean and free of germs. Not only will they look great, but they'll also be much more hygienic. We've all been there. You peel off a price tag or remove a sticker, only to be left with a gooey, stubborn residue that just won't budge. Well, my friends, your days of battling sticker residue are over, because rubbing alcohol is about to become your new secret weapon in the fight against stickiness. This magical liquid can dissolve even the most stubborn adhesive residue, leaving your surfaces smooth and sticky-free. It's like a little bottle of cleaning magic. Just soak a cotton ball or a clean cloth in some rubbing alcohol and hold it over the affected area for a few seconds. Let the alcohol work its magic, then gently rub the residue away. You'll be amazed at how easily it comes off. Rubbing alcohol is safe to use on a variety of surfaces, from glass and metal to plastic and wood. It's versatile and effective, so the next time you're faced with a sticky situation, just grab your trusty bottle of rubbing alcohol and watch that residue disappear like magic. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Let's face it, folks, we've all experienced the dreaded case of smelly shoes at some point in our lives. But before you banish those pungent footwear to the back of the closet, let me introduce you to a simple yet effective solution: rubbing alcohol. Yes, you heard that right. Rubbing alcohol can work wonders on neutralizing unpleasant odors, including those emanating from your beloved shoes. Grab a spray bottle and fill it with a 50-50 mixture of rubbing alcohol and water. Generously spritz the inside of your stinky shoes and let them air dry completely. The rubbing alcohol will kill bacteria and eliminate those nasty odors, leaving your shoes smelling fresh and clean. No more embarrassing moments or holding your breath every time you take off your shoes. Ladies and gentlemen, makeup enthusiasts and novices alike, gather around because today we have something truly special for you. I'm about to reveal a cleaning hack that will change your beauty routine forever. Yes, you heard that right. If you're anything like me, you probably don't clean your makeup brushes as often as you should. We all know how easy it is to forget. But fear not, my friends, because rubbing alcohol is about to become your new best friend in the quest for clean and healthy makeup application. It's simple, effective, and incredibly affordable. Fill a small bowl with a shallow layer of rubbing alcohol, just enough to submerge the bristles of your brushes. Make sure not to overfill, as a little goes a long way. Gently swirl each brush in the rubbing alcohol, making sure to work the liquid into the bristles and dislodge any trapped makeup. This step is crucial for breaking down all the built-up product. Once you've given your brushes a good swirl, rinse them thoroughly under warm running water until the water runs clear. This ensures that all the alcohol and makeup residue is completely washed away. Finally, reshape the bristles and lay your brushes flat on a clean towel to air dry. Make sure they are in a well-ventilated area to speed up the drying process. And there you have it, perfectly clean brushes ready for your next makeup session. We live in a world surrounded by germs. They're on our phones, our doorknobs, our keyboards, basically every surface imaginable. And while most germs are harmless, some can make us sick. That's where our trusty friend rubbing alcohol comes in handy once again. Rubbing alcohol isn't just great for cleaning, it's also a powerful disinfectant. It can kill a wide range of bacteria and viruses, making it a valuable tool in our fight against germs. Certain high-touch surfaces could benefit from a little extra disinfection, especially during cold and flu season. Grab a clean cloth or paper towel, dampen it with some rubbing alcohol, and wipe down those germ hotspots. Let the surface air dry, and voila! You've created a less hospitable environment for those pesky germs. Have you ever cleaned a mirror or window, only to step back and see a tapestry of streaks and smudges? Well, my friends, I'm here to share a secret weapon for achieving streak-free brilliance: rubbing alcohol. Forget about expensive glass cleaners and complicated techniques. All you need is a spray bottle, some rubbing alcohol, and a microfiber cloth. Lightly mist your mirror or glass surface with the rubbing alcohol solution, then wipe it down with a clean microfiber cloth. The rubbing alcohol will evaporate quickly, leaving behind a dazzling streak-free shine that will make your home sparkle. We've all been there. One minute you're signing an important document and the next minute, disaster strikes. Your pen leaks, leaving behind an unsightly ink stain on your favorite shirt. But before you despair, remember this: rubbing alcohol is your new best friend. Start by placing a clean cloth or paper towel underneath the stained area to absorb any excess ink. Then, dampen another clean cloth with rubbing alcohol and gently dab at the stain, working from the outside in to prevent it from spreading. Continue dabbing at the stain until it disappears, then rinse the area with cold water and launder the garment as usual. Sometimes our clothes and fabrics can hold on to odors even after a trip through the washing machine. But fret not, my friends, because rubbing alcohol is here to save the day and your sense of smell. This versatile liquid can work wonders on neutralizing odors trapped in fabrics. Grab a spray bottle and fill it with a 50-50 mixture of rubbing alcohol and water. Lightly mist the affected fabric with the rubbing alcohol solution, making sure not to saturate it completely. Allow the fabric to air dry completely and voila! Your clothes and linens will smell as good as new. Stainless steel appliances are a staple in many modern kitchens, adding a sleek and sophisticated touch. But over time they can lose their luster, becoming covered in fingerprints, watermarks, and stubborn smudges. But fear not, my friends, because I'm about to let you in on a little secret. Rubbing alcohol can restore your stainless steel to its former glory. Grab a microfiber cloth and dampen it with some rubbing alcohol. Gently wipe down your stainless steel surfaces, following the grain of the metal for a streak-free finish. You'll be amazed at how easily the rubbing alcohol removes fingerprints, smudges, and even dried-on food splatters. Once you're finished, buff the surface with a clean, dry microfiber cloth to reveal a dazzling shine. Winter brings with it a unique set of challenges, and one of the most annoying is dealing with frosted windows. But before you resort to scraping and spraying with de-icer, let me introduce you to a simple yet effective solution: rubbing alcohol. This versatile liquid can help prevent frost from forming on your windows, saving you time and frustration on those chilly mornings. Grab a spray bottle and fill it with a mixture of 1 part rubbing alcohol and 2 parts water. Before temperatures plummet, spray your car windows and windshields with the rubbing alcohol solution. The alcohol will lower the freezing point of water, preventing frost from forming. You can also use this trick on your home windows, especially those prone to frosting. Rubbing alcohol, the ultimate household hero. There you have it, folks. 10 surprising uses for rubbing alcohol that prove this unassuming liquid is a true household hero. If you found these hacks helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tips and tricks. Until next time, keep those homes sparkling and those minds curious.